How would Russia or Ukraine legally justify the use of force against the other according to international law? You see, Ukraine and Russia would apply established international legal principles and assert facts to support their legal position on the use of force. So what are these legal principles and what are the questions they would need to answer with facts to claim they are acting lawfully? Let me explain. The starting point is, according to international law, there is a general prohibition for the use of force by a member state as per Article 2.4. However, international law provides for two exceptions to the prohibition on the use of force. The first exception is the UN has authorised the use of force to maintain peace and order under Part 7 of the UN Charter. In the current conflict, there has been no UN authorised use of force for either Russia or Ukraine to use force on the other, and any UN authorisation would be impossible considering the permanent member states in the UN Security Council are in complete disagreement over Ukraine. Therefore, the only real legal basis that either Ukraine or Russia can rely on to justify the use of force on the other is to claim they are acting in self-defence, as per Article 51 of the UN Charter. Article 51 specifically allows for individual and collective self-defence. And for Ukraine or Russia and their respective allies, they would need to answer 4 questions to justify the use of force. 1. Is the member state a victim of an ongoing armed attack? 2. Is the armed attack of sufficient gravity to justify the use of force by a victim state against an aggressor state? 3. If no ongoing attack is taking place, is the state under an imminent threat of armed attack? A state does not need to wait to be attacked before resorting to the use of force, as long as there is credible facts, evidence and intelligence that an armed attack is real and imminent by an aggressor state who is on the verge of carrying out such an armed attack. And finally, 4, is the use of force necessary and proportionate response to the ongoing armed attack or imminent threat of an armed attack posed by the aggressor state? In answering these 4 questions, Ukraine on the one hand and Russia on the other will undoubtedly seek to rely on their own facts, intelligence and evidence to invoke any self-defense position, and each likely to claim the other is lying and making false flag claims. Russia may argue that Ukraine are planning attacks on separatists in the self-declared regions in Ukraine and that its own Russian territory has come under attack, while Ukraine would argue a build-up of Russian troops estimated to be over 100,000 along the Ukraine border is a prelude to an attack on its own territory. Whatever the politics and facts on the ground, international law will take centre stage to justify the use of force, even if it's at the expense of the truth. Has it ever been any different? Thank you for watching. Please follow, like and share and comment, and may the justice be with you.